Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your English class. In this video, I will be reciting a very interesting poem on the elephants. But before I begin with the class, I would like to tell you some interesting facts about elephant. You all know that elephants are the world's largest land animal. They are herbivores and require up to 300 kg of food and 160 liters of water per day. There are only two distinct species of elephant left in the world, the African elephant and the Asian elephant. The average lifespan of an elephant is from 50 to 70 years. They have the largest brains and heaviest heart in the animal kingdom. The elephants have poor eyesight, but they can smell water from 12 miles away. Their trunks has no bones, but over 150,000 muscles and nerves, which makes their trunk flexible and the strongest part of their body. Elephants are able to swim for long distances, but do you know they cannot jump? Elephants can hear one another's trumpeting calls up to 8 kilometers away. Elephants are highly sensitive and caring animals. If a baby elephant complains, the entire family will rumble and go over to touch and cares it. Elephants, being the largest land animals, are afraid or scared of bees. The saddest part is that about 100 elephants are being killed every day for their ivory so as to make precious jewelries and other items. So, students, let us now start the recitation of the poem The Elephant. The elephant surely is grand. It's the largest creature on land with jumbo sized ears. No wonder it hears for miles from where it may stand. In these lines, the poet says that the elephant is very big and is the largest creature on land. It's not surprising for us that an elephant can hear from long distance away. The elephant surely is great. Over 5 tons is its weight, with jumbo sized feet, plus a mouth that can eat more than 700 pounds on its plate. In these lines, the poet says that, yes, for sure, elephant is very great. The weight of an elephant is more than 5 tons. After all, it eats 300 kg of food and more than 150 liters of water per day. Elephant has got very big feet and a big mouth that can eat. So, an elephant eats a lot of food every day on its plate so as to satisfy its hunger. The elephant surely is strong, with ivory tusk sharp and long, and the heaviest chunk it can lift with its trunk. Yes, an elephant just can't go wrong. In these lines, the poet says that the elephant, being the largest animal on land, is surely the strongest creature also. The elephant has got very long and sharp teeth, and the teeth are known as ivory. The elephant's trunk can lift more than a heavy weight. In fact, it can carry huge logs of wood also from one place to another. So, the poet Mish Goldish has absolutely described the creature elephant through his poem and brilliantly elaborated and described the physical features and the qualities of elephant. I hope the summary of the poem and the explanation is clear to you all. Thank you and have a nice day.